Hello, lovely friends. Are you craving for that tropical flavor? Well, today we are making this mouth-watering mango cake, which is so easy to make. Thanks so much for stopping by. This is Owusu West Kitchen, Akwaba. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I have my medium-sized ripe mango here, which I'm going to peel and cut. And like I said earlier on, this is an easy, no sweat recipe. Just wash your regular blender very well or your smoothie blender and you are set to go. So with the mango, I'm going to add oil, sugar, and eggs. If you are allergic to eggs or you simply don't like eggs in your cake, you can substitute it with condensed milk. I will leave the measurement in the description box for you, okay? The sugar goes in now and I'm going to blend everything together for about a minute until it is nice, smooth and creamy before we add the other ingredients. Yes guys, cake in a blender. What do you think? We've been able to escape all that whisking, but the taste, quality and texture isn't compromised at all. The mixture is ready and I'm pouring everything down a bowl and I'm going to make sure I scrape all this mango goodness from the blender. I am not going to waste it. And now I'm going to sift my flour. If you do not have a sifter at home, do not worry. Just pour in your flour directly. Sifting makes mixing easier though, but you can still make your cake without it. Sifting is done. The flour is now nice and light. And now I'm going to add baking soda and baking powder. And together I'm going to start to combine before I add my last ingredient. May I please remind you to subscribe to my channel? Help it to grow. Medase. I have just added milk and from here I'm simply going to whisk everything together. Combining all the ingredients into this nice golden butter. And this is how it should look like when it is done. I just love the smell of the mango. Right guys, I have already greased my cake tin with some margarine and I'm just going to go ahead and pour in all the butter, and trust me, I am scraping everything down the tin. If you love this mango cake recipe, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Your encouragement is much appreciated. Here I'm simply tapping it down to level it up. And now this is the fun part. We are going to bake this cake in a pot. Just place a stand in your regular silver and preheat it for about 5 minutes before you start to bake. It's been baking for about 45 minutes now on a low heat, and this is what we've been able to achieve. I'm going to just test to make sure it is cooked throughout, and all that steam that just came out is going to help the cake to be moist and soft, just the way cake should be like. I am simply running a knife alongside the edges so that the cake comes out in one piece. Try this recipe guys and do share your experience with me. Easily please your guests with this delicious mango cake recipe. I am sure you're going to love it. I still love vanilla, chocolate, banana cake and the rest, but this is when I'm craving for something exotic. It came out nicely in one piece. And I'm just going to go ahead and slice them up. just like that. It smells amazing with great texture. What's not to love about this? It's mango after all. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed and please remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye!